Warmer, breezier, and smokier? Yeah, all right. It's not a commercial for hot dogs. It's basically 70 degrees overnight tonight. Cloud cover kind of back and forth and thickening up overnight again, turning gusty toward dawn. And that's basically what you're going to wake up to. Heading out the door tomorrow morning, you're going to have that mix of clouds, hopefully turning back to partly cloudy and 74 degrees, but the southeast winds will be noticeable. Then they'll be downright breezy on through the day, midday and afternoon. 85 at noon with that southeast wind 15 to 25 as well. 90 by 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Hopefully there'll be enough sun to work with that southeast wind to make it feel nice and warm. 90 is just about normal for this time of year, a degree or two above, but that's okay. Winds gusting to around 35 miles an hour tomorrow. That's why I'm calling it breezy throughout the day, and rough conditions eventually on the bay. If you're planning to do a little fishing, it'll just be kind of choppy in the morning, but by afternoon it's game on. And then the surf 3 to 4 feet, and then by tomorrow, then to the next day and into the weekend, that surf will just get more aggressive as the winds continue on. Also, what will get more aggressive? The smoke in the air. Agricultural fires in Mexico give off that smoke, and it gets transported to the valley on the prevailing winds. So we'll be basically diminished air quality to the moderate category for tomorrow, turning even worse on into Friday and Saturday, when we're going to have almost unhealthy conditions as a result of the smoke. And that's all, as I said, coming up from Mexico, even as far away as the Yucatan. I mean, this stuff travels, and it comes on all the way across the Gulf, all toward deep South Texas, and on up from mainland Mexico itself. So we kind of get hit with a double whammy there. As far as the forecast in detail, 92 for you, McAllen, 91 Elsa, and partly cloudy skies eventually. Still gusty, and everybody's going to get that gust for tomorrow out of the southeast, turning even stronger as we head into Friday. Look at Thursday, that 15 to 25 routine, turning with gusts of 30, 35, turns even stronger on Friday, still out of the southeast, but gusts are going to be close to 40, maybe even 45. If that happens, we could have a wind advisory, so we'll watch out for Friday. And then hopefully the winds will back off a little bit on Saturday, but it's still going to be breezy on Saturday, no problem there. And that's going to be more than likely the case on Sunday, too. Now, what is all this about? Well, it's the huge. This is what we do in springtime. The wind machine sets up shop, and it's high pressure east of us and low pressure west-northwest of us. One pushes, the other pulls, and we're in this stream of southeast wind that comes around across the valley. The odd thing is, or the not so odd thing is that low pressure up in the panhandle, it's called a semi-permanent low because it's there so often. It's almost permanent, but not quite. Semi-permanent. And this high area of high pressure can stretch all the way on back as the Bermuda High, which too is pretty much semi-permanent. So these two mechanisms drive that breeze so often, but more so in the springtime here in the valley. Temperatures in the low 90s this weekend. Partly cloudy skies, and away you go. Breezy conditions for both Saturday and Sunday. 7-day forecast shows all the breeze, shows the nice high temperatures, but it also shows an opportunity for a shower or thunder shower next week, Tuesday. That would be welcome for sure. It's pretty thin right now. We'll see how it cooks out later. That's a look at your forecast.